Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we've got another little luxury unboxing, this time from the REALREAL. And if you watched my channel before, you know I love a good find from the REALREAL. If you haven't heard of the REALREAL, they are this luxury, I want to say my thrift shopping of luxury items. They have a bunch of used luxury goods on their website, and it's super easy to use. No, this video is not sponsored, but I would love if the REALREAL ever wanted to sponsor me for a video because I really do love shopping from their site. They also have a couple in-person stores. I know they have one in LA and in Newport, Orange County, so sometimes I do find myself just wandering into the store and see if they have anything good in store. But most of the time I do just shop online. But yeah, anyways, before I get into the full unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So I had been searching for this particular item for quite a while now. I've been really wanting a very cute, kind of classy two-tone watch style. So I did get this Coach watch for Christmas this year and I absolutely love it. I wear this one to death. Like, I wear it almost every day to work. It's like pretty much a standard part of my uniform. Though I don't have a uniform at work, I feel like when I wear this, like, that is my professional vibes. It's just so cute. It's dainty, it's elegant, and I think it's just really pretty. But it is just a solid gold watch, and I wanted something that had a little bit more silver tones in it, so it could kind of mix and match with some different outfits and styles. I am known to very much mix metals, like, it's kind of my thing. I love mix and matching the gold and the silver, so wanting to get a watch style that also incorporates both gold and silver just to give a different vibe, so I have a little bit more variety in my watch styles when I am pulling an outfit together. So that's kind of the background on that. I have been looking for a watch style like this for so long, and I finally just decided to check out the REALREAL, see if they had anything that was like worthwhile or fell in the category of what I was looking for, and then I found this watch that is literally the perfect style that I was looking for, and it was at a really great deal, really great discount, so I ended up just getting it. So here it is in the little box. Depending on the condition of the item, sometimes you do get the original packaging, sometimes you don't. It's all listed on the site whether or not it does come with packaging or not. This one didn't come with the original packaging, which was a little bit of a bummer, but was kind of reflective of the price as well, so it was priced a little bit lower than some of the items that do come with the original packaging. But they still do package it up very nicely for you, so it doesn't just like come in a bag. So here's the little white box that it came in, and this is like double boxed, so we have the white box and then this is the actual watch box. So you can see it's pretty nice, kind of this like leathery box. Feels very luxurious, feels very, I don't know, it feels like it's from a jewelry store. I don't know if that's the best way to explain it, but this feels like a jewelry store box. And here, I'll go ahead and open up the actual watch so you guys can see it. Here it is. So it comes on this little pillowcase, and I've actually already gone and gotten it resized because it was just a little bit big. That's the great thing about watches, you can just get them resized. Anyways, so it did used to actually fit on this pillow. Now it's a little too small for the pillow, but you know, you get the idea. That's how it was packaged, which is very nice. Go ahead and give you guys a close-up of the actual watch. So it is this beautiful two-toned style, and this is the, I believe, I have it on my phone right here so I get the exact wording correct, but it is the Gucci 9000 series watch, and I believe this is like vintage. They don't currently sell it anymore, so that's kind of the fun way to describe something that you like got on the REALREAL that's old or like used. You just say, oh, it's vintage, and that makes it sound a lot cooler than it actually is. So I'll refer to this as my beautiful vintage Gucci watch. No, it is really, really cute, and what I love most about this is really just the size of it. It's so easy to find watches that are just like a smidge bigger than this, and that's kind of feels like the standard sizing, but I feel like this size is just so perfect and exactly what I was looking for. So I'll show you guys it on. It has this little kind of like hooky clasp to it where you kind of go through. Let me see if it'll focus. Yeah, you go through here, and that's kind of how you clasp it, like that. And they actually did have quite a few different vintage Gucci styles on their site, but I just really loved the look of this one with the two-toned, how it has this more sleek design. It's very like dainty and small, so that's kind of what drew me towards this particular style over some of the other ones. I'll go ahead and just show you guys it on. It's so cute, and yeah, like the mixed metals I think just makes it work with everything. So here it is on my wrist. So you can see I did go and get it sized so it fits better, and it just looks so cute like with the bracelets that I already have. I just feel like it's such like a perfect addition to my collection. It just goes so well with things that I already have, and I feel like that's like my biggest advice when you are kind of adding things to your jewelry collection or adding to what you already have. It's really taking inventory of what you do already have and getting items and pieces that work well with that, so you don't feel like you're never gonna wear it. Because if you buy something that really doesn't mesh well with a lot of things that you own, you're probably not gonna wear it as much because you won't feel like you have anything to wear it with. So I feel like this was one of those things where I felt like I just already had it, like, because it just went so well with so many of the different bracelets and different jewelry pieces that I do already have. But yeah, it is just so cute, and again, just the perfect item to top off so many different workwear styles. I think it is so trendy right now too to have dainty watch style with some of your outfits, so I guess it doesn't even have to be workwear. It's just a fun way too to kind of add that element of something a little bit more formal with a more casual outfit, and having that kind of blend in your looks and gives a little bit more variety, makes your outfits a little bit more interesting. You could style this watch with so many different kinds of outfits in that way. It's also not too formal or fancy, so it's definitely a great everyday wear, something that you can get a lot of uses out of. Because that's also something important to me when I am investing in pieces like this, where it's going to be something that I'm actually gonna wear on multiple occasions, if not like every day. But yeah, so that was my quick little unboxing of this little Gucci watch. Again, I feel like the RealReal has so many great items on it that it really is like a treasure hunt when you are on this site. They have a lot of great filters and ways that you can quickly find what you're looking for. So yeah, I will be sure to link the link to the RealReal down below in my description. I'll also link this similar watch styles, if not like the same watch styles. I think this did have a couple different sellers selling this same watch. Like I said, I ended up getting one that was a little bit more discounted, I think because of not having all the original packaging, but it was still a functioning watch. So I would be careful on that on the RealReal. There is a section where it tells you if the watch is actually like a functioning watch, and you can tell the time and all of that. If you care about your watch actually telling time, I would definitely check that out when you are reading through the description of the item. I know some people like just wear it as jewelry, so they don't really care if the watch tells time. So if that's you, then just disregard that section and find what you're looking for. But yeah, overall, I think this watch is so cute. It was such a great experience using the RealReal. I literally ordered it online, got it a couple days later, and yeah, literally no issues whatsoever. So yeah, if you enjoyed this style video, little luxury unboxing review, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. Do you guys feel like you see like watch styles coming more on trend? I feel like I've seen them so often. Like pretty much every inspo outfit pic that I see online, like a girl is wearing some sort of dainty watch style in it. So I don't know if online, you know, they got me to get the watch. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you've been seeing this trend coming up a lot more. Also, while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.